Buenas tardes, profesor y compañeros. Esta es la presentación de la tercera actividad de estrategia. Está presentada por Wendy Cáceres y por mí, Nancy Rodríguez. Caso de Analysis of Cards, Building Your Company Vision. Glosario. Core in the logic. Core in the logic defines the enduring characters of an organization and consists in the belief that the transcendent product or market life cycle technology products manages fund and the individual's leads. Core values. Core values are the essential and enduring of an organization. Core purpose. Core purpose, the second part of core ideology in the organization, reacts for being an effect, groups reflect people's ideals, motivation for the company work. Bunix strategy is a Bunix plan that takes place the long term to help achieve specific goals or objectives. Its objective is to strike the company so that its performance improves. Aimed future is what we aspire to welcome to achieve to create something that requires significant change and progress the achieved. Corporate social responsibility is wide or managed companies based on the management of the impacts that their activity generates on their customers, employees, work, local communities, the individual, and society in general. Vision is the ability to see beyond in time and escape and above or means to visualize, to sit with the edge of the imagination in there of the final result that is intended to be achieved. Objectives standards helps for the energy of employees and agents in achieving the goals and objectives of the company. Bunix they are need in their administrative and production process and for the demand roles, they take core on their financial indicators to deal with project of the grant market and minds to close relation with the banking. Executive team is dedicated to how the hybrid lead of the performance, the implementation, and internal mission to serve and software and operations. Investigation data are those materials generated or gathered during the course of conduct an investigation or the base of the evidence of which academic results do the work. Investigation of markers. Delft is the identification of customer needs and the possibilities on responding to the usage of the developed competitive, and standards of the organization. quality is the satisfaction and the competitive price for the client and profitability and sustainability for the company. Outstanding achievement. Something that has been achieved, especially the hard work, cheer of heroes as proven. Motivation force. Strategy and the techniques to master modes and relative to work results. Executive was. It is the result or achievement toward which the effort is direct and that provokes true success. Competitive disadvantage aspect that does not have a company in relation to other company in the same sector or market may be the product, the brand, the customer sales, the production, drugs, technology, and others. Code of ethics set standards that regulate the behaviors of people with a company or organization. Innovative improvement in the business model that a company has to mark large organization, product or technology change in the proposals that make business to the market with the sole purpose of being more efficient. Vision future is what we aspire to be, to achieve, to create something that will require change and progress to reach.